Good morning, ma'am. I am Darwin Ramones and I am 24 years old. Today, I'm going to report about my business proposal, which is the Island Wheels motorbike and e-bike rental service in Bohol. About us, Island Wheels is a local motorbike and e-bike rental service in Panglao, Bohol, offering safe, affordable, and eco-friendly rides for travelers. We aim to make exploring Bohol easy and sustainable, one ride at a time. So, ang kani nga business nga ang gi-propose kla, ma'am, is um, rental na siya sa mga foreigner nga gusto mo rent, gusto mo explore sa Bohol. Manya nagpa-rent ko mga motorbike o e-bike nga nag-offering og mga safety nga paggamit, na mga helmet, kompleto og mga pang safety para sa pang drive. Affordable po ang bayad sa mga friendly travelers or sa mga foreigners nga dayo sa atong lugar. We aim to make exploring Bohol easy and sustainable. So ang among aim ani is madali ra og explore ang Bohol pinagi sa among motorbike, e-bike na parintahan. In content index, first is the executive summary. Next is the business objectives. Third is the market analysis. Fourth, products and services. Fifth, the operations plan. Sixth, the marketing and promotion. Seventh, financial plan. Eighth, sustainability and social impact. And then the last is the conclusion and call to action. Executive summary. So, business name. So, ang name sa business is nasulti naman ako ganyan sa kinaunan. Pag-intro na ako. So, business name is the Island Wheels Motorbike and E-Bike Rentals location. E-bike rentals. Location is in Panglao, Bohol. So, with potential expansion to Tagbilaran and Anda. So, Panglao, Bohol. Ang location ani dyan nasa expansion nga mo rin sa Tagbilaran to Anda. Business type, rental services and tourism support. So, business type, rental, di ba? Bayad ka and tourism support. Next is the target market. Domestic and international tourists, digital nomads, long-stay travelers. Startup capital required to 600,000 pesos to 800,000 pesos. So, muna akong target nga mga market. Next is the business model. Daily or weekly rentals of motorbikes and eco-friendly electric bikes with optional delivery and guided packages. Overview. Overview is the Island Wheels aims to provide reliable, convenient, and eco-conscious mobility options for tourists and exploring Bohol. The business will offer a fleet of motorbike and electric bicycles for rent, focusing on affordability, safety, and quality customer service. So na-explain na ganiha, di ba, nga ang kaninga business is nag-offer siya og fleet ng motorbikes, daghan ng motorbikes or electric bicycles for rent, focusing on affordable and safety para sa mga customer. So it will be based near tourist heavy areas like Panglao Island, known for its beaches and resorts, and will later expand into other areas like Tagbilaran and Anda. So, di ba, nung taas kapit ang Panglao, di ba? So, known ng Panglao sa ilang mga beaches dito, nga mga nindot, ang bunbun, nindot ang view ang Panglao. Okay. Next is the business objectives. So, ang business objectives is launch and operate a fully functional rental service in Panglao within 3 months of securing and funding. Serve at least 300 plus rental clients in the first year. Promote eco-tourism and sustainable transport. Achieve ROI within 18 to 24 months through competitive pricing and smart marketing. Expand to Tagbilaran and Anda within 2 to 3 years. Tourism trends in Bohol. Over 1.5 million tourists visited Bohol in pre-pandemic years, and tourism has steadily returned post-pandemic. Top destinations: Alauna Beach, Chocolate Hills, Panglao Island, Lobok River, and Anda beaches. Tourists often explore Bohol independently and need affordable, flexible transport. Target ng mga customers, backpackers and solo travelers. Katong mga backpackers na mga solo nga travelers. Couples and groups staying in Panglao or Tagbilaran, katong mga mag-uyab or mga grupo nga nag-stay sa Panglao or Tagbilaran, mo ilang target nga customers, mo yung target nga customers. And the digital nomads on a long-term stays. Local tourists without private vehicles. So mga local na mga turista nga way mga private nga mga sakyanan. Next is the competitive advantage. Focus on eco-friendly transport for e-bikes and customers' convenience like online booking, delivery to hotels. Well-maintained units, safety gear included and transparent pricing. Friendly English-speaking staff and optional guided tours. So, products and services. So, add-on services mo ni. So, ang product is vehicle type is 110cc to 125cc. Motorbike or automatic, mga scooter. And then, ang rate dili niya is 500 pesos. Kung weekly o mag-sinimana ka is 3,000 pesos. So, maka-less ka o 500 kung mag-sinimana ka. Unlike sa daily, sa mo gamit kag Domingo. So, minta na ang sinimana ka, maka-less ka 500. Next vehicle type is electric bicycle, 20 to 30 kilometer range. So ang rate ng daily needs is 350 lang, unlike sa motorbike or automatic. Then weekly is 2,000. So add-on services, helmet and lock free. So na mga dugang mga pang services. So helmet and lock free na. Phone holder optional na. Delivery, pick up to hotel or pier 100 to 200 pesos. So kung i-deliver kung gusto nimo ipa-deliver katong imong girintahan nga mga motorbike or mga bicycle, pwede ihatod sa pier or sa hotel, pero na-charge nga 100 to 200 pesos kung depende sa kalansuon. Then the last is the guided eco tour packages, optional ra pod kung gusto nimo. So ang bayad na is 1,500 per person. So next is the So ato continue. Startup fleet. And then 5 motorbikes, 5 electric bicycles, 1 delivery tricycle multi-use. Location: main station near Alona Beach, Panglao. Small office or booth with parking space. Staffing: 1 owner or manager, initially hands-on. 1 mechanic delivery assistant. 1 admin or customer service staff. Technology and tools: GPS tracking on units, online booking via Facebook, Instagram, and future mobile app. Scooter charger setup base. So, ang initial strategies: partner with hostels, hotels, and resorts for commission-based referrals. So, nag-launch yung promo, 1 day free rental for every 3-day booking. Flyers at tourist spots, ports, and terminals. Google Maps and Facebook business page listing. Online presence. Social media marketing like Instagram Reels, TikTok, Facebook ads. Next is the customer review and referrals with discount incentives. And the last, the eco tour packages promoted through influencers and local guides. So, money ang mga amount o mga estimate ng mga bayro nun. So item is a 5 motorbikes na makita naman na to, di ba? So 5 motorbikes, 50,000 pesos, e-bikes 40,000 pesos. So estimated cost is 350,000 pesos, 100,000 pesos. So office setup, permits, branding, 80,000 pesos. Helmet, locks, accessories, 30,000 pesos. Marketing and website, 20,000 pesos. Reserve fund and working capital, 100,000 pesos. And the total estimate is 780,000 pesos. So assuming 50% fleet utilization, 15 rental days, month, and unit. So stores, motorbikes, 5 kabuok, 37,500 pesos. Monthly revenue na. E-bikes, 5 gyapon kabuok. So ang bayro na is 26,250 pesos. And add-ons on delivery, so 5,000 pesos na. Total is 68,750 pesos. So year 1 goal is 800,000 plus, 800,000 pesos plus in gross revenue break-even point, estimated in 12 to 16 months with steady growth. And then nasa ba ni? Ah, so first is that reduces carbon emissions through electric vehicle promotion. Next is employs local staff and trains them in hospitality and basic mechanics. Third is encourages responsible tourism through eco-tour options. And then the last is the partners with local government and DOT accredited establishments. Conclusion and call to action. So Island Wheels is more than just a rental service. It's a smart mobility solution for tourists and support system for Bohol's eco-tourism goals. With growing tourism and limited transport access, this business is poised for strong demand and steady growth. So we are seeking a capital investment of 780,000 pesos to launch our operations, acquire the initial fleet, and set up our marketing campaign. Let's bring clean, fun, and flexible travel to the heart of Bohol one ride at a time. So, contact us. So, mo nga number inyong kontakon kung gusto mo rent sa among mga bikes sa among business. So, contact kami sa 0910 1090 140. So, Alan Wheel, bohol.ph.com, www.alanwheels.com, and then the Puro 4 Talisay and Davao. So, that's all for my business proposal, and thank you.